You will see in this video why I named it John of all trades. I was so shocked to see how much he actually knows to do. This is how the cottage renovation began. It's been nearly 20 years since anyone's been in this property, and we managed to start to make a cup of tea after getting the generator working. It's nice to have a cup of tea in our own home, even if it was a mess around us. Then we figured out we actually had electricity. When we switched it all on, we found that there was only one bulb out after 20 years. But the next job had to start, and that was taking out the old windows. Once the big chimney was out, we could start opening up the house, and this began with taking out the kitchen. Once all the kitchen cupboards were out, we then decided to take down the wall and totally open up the full kitchen. The wall had to come down to make the kitchen work properly, and this changed everything. It brightened up the whole space. The wall was solid and took a lot, but it was worth it when it came down. Once the wall was down, it was time to go up into the attic and put the insulation in. It wasn't a glamorous job, but it will certainly make a difference in the end, hopefully creating an even warmer, more efficient home. We decided early on to take down the bedroom chimney and keep the living room one. It was definitely worth the decision. It took 2 full days for John and his brother Patrick to take down the chimney. It was a double chimney between the 2 bedrooms. The walls were built solid, the chimney was built solid, as you can see. But it was well worth it in the end. Bit by bit, it's starting to feel like progress. After a long few days, it was time to take some time out and take a walk along the beach and reflect on why we moved here, the scenery and the beauty. We watched the catch of the day coming in. Crab for dinner tonight. And of course, at the end of the day, a well-deserved pint. The Irish Guinness always tastes a lot more creamy. And John's is the 0 alcohol. He's driving.